The election of the forest king. One day, a grand meeting was held in the deep forest. All the animals and birds gathered because they needed to decide who would be the new king of the forest. The elephant, being the strongest animal in the forest, wanted to be the king. But the clever fox said, "It's not enough to protect the forest with just strength. Wisdom is also necessary." Then the monkey, with his agile jumps, said, "To be king, you need not only strength and wisdom, but also the ability to solve problems quickly." Everyone smiled at the monkey's comment. Next, the deer, showing off his graceful running and cleverness, said, "Just as I can escape from enemies, the king should also be able to protect the forest." The bear then added, "I have the qualities to be king because I am strong and calm. I can keep everyone united." After listening to everyone, the hawk swooped down from the sky and said, "From above, I can see the entire forest, so my perspective is different from everyone else's. If I become king, I can protect everyone." All the animals were trying to prove their worth, but suddenly, an old tortoise slowly came forward and said, "Our king should be someone who can combine wisdom, strength, speed, peace, and vision. The king isn't just a single creature. The king should represent all the animals. So, I suggest that we all take the responsibility of protecting the forest together. All the animals in this forest should unite and defend it." Everyone nodded in agreement after hearing the tortoise's words. From that day on, all the animals realized that true kingship comes from unity and cooperation. Together, they protected the forest, and it remained a joyful and harmonious place.